Hello YouTube, in this tutorial we're gonna learn about awesome Python sound device module, and you're gonna use it if you need to play or grab sounds with Python. Now there is a lot of examples here, a lot of documentation, and the source code is a little bit longer even for basic tutorial, so I will not explain everything, but the interesting thing here for me is plot microphone signal in real time. Why is that so? For example, if you are testing some kind of input like microphone input, line input or something, you can hook whatever you have to PC to 3.5 connector or USB, whatever you have, and then monitor that signal. For example, if you're creating some kind of let's say surveillance apparatus, if you have audio input from room when you are tracking what's going on there, like if you're working into physical security or something like that. Okay, so it's really not important. You can be just buying microphones and that's your hobby and you are testing it. Does that work immediately? So anyway, without too much theoretical talk, let's go here, and I'm gonna grab everything from here just to copy paste this because the code is a little bit longer, and let's paste it here. Let's save it. So the thing is, if you want to run this thing, you need these three modules and also these, let's say, particles. Okay, matplotlib, numpy, and sound device, and so on. Anyway, so when you save this and run it, you will get into this screen. Okay, so it's, as I said, absolutely awesome. It's really simple, very minimalistic, but it works. So you have a couple of options here. For example, if you want to zoom into your signals, you can do that with, well, obviously zoom, and then you just define your target so you can observe it better. If you want to basically reset your view, you can click here, and what is this? You can pan things, like you can push left click and move this here or move this down there, something like that. Okay, but generally it's very awesome application. Now here you have also a lot of options. You can play around with this kind of spectrogram or something. So if you want to move this for some reason left or right, you can just see what's going on. You can use this or from bottom. Okay, and if you want to push this to right, push this to top, and you have vertical and horizontal space, and of course you can just really easily reset that thing. And if for some reason you are doing some kind of you need to save specific response of audio signal, then you can save that thing here as a portable network graphic or PNG in general, right? So extremely useful stuff. So I don't want to go in the explanation about source code because we will need probably half an hour or 1 hour, and the best stuff is just you can copy paste this and immediately you have software that will test your microphone device. Okay, so I'm trying this with the 3.5mm connector on my PC, and you guys, if you have USB type of microphone, you can test this stuff and you can comment if everything is fine. But in general, absolutely awesome result. And of course you have a lot of other options here, but it's up to you if you want to play with a specific sound file, if you want to do, I don't know, some kind of input to output passing and so on. So yeah, just a quick note, nothing special here. If you need something like this, please note Python sound device, absolutely excellent module. So that was just a quick heads up, and I'm gonna finish here. Thank you for watching and see you in next tutorial.